in education, at least here in the States, I believe we have a crisis of confidence and we don't believe in ourselves enough because we honor activity more than we do results. We honor activity more than results. You know, I was fortunate to sit at the feet of Rick and Becky DeFore for more than a decade, God rest their souls. And when I go around the country now and ask, hey, what does it mean to be a professional learning community? If I'm in a room with 40 people, I get 45 different answers, and all of them revolve around activity. We have SMART goals, we meet, we have agendas, we have this, we have that. We have everything but the bottom line. So your initiative has to have a bottom line, a local bottom line. We run from results, we run from accountability because I think we're deathly afraid of having to be responsible to ensure learning for kids because of so many factors outside our control that creep into our consciousness. And so if your initiative doesn't have a bottom line, a payoff, a place where you know it's working, teachers at best will be compliant, good soldiers, but they will never be as committed as you want them to be because there's no payoff. What's the payoff?